Go to Start menu and search for projection settings. Open them. Change this to Available Anywhere. Change it to Every Time. Leave the rest as it is, and go to your phone now. Go to your cast options. For Samsung phones, swipe down the notification panel, and tap Smart View. Your PC name will be visible. Tap to connect. You will get a prompt on Windows to allow the connection on your phone. If it doesn't show up automatically, go to Notification Center and click Allow. Your phone is now being mirrored to your desktop. For other Android phones you can find Cast option in Settings, just search for it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell button. Thank you for watching. Hail Vito!